When you're walking through the past days, whom do you meet? Whom do you meet? Looking forward to the future, whom do you see? Whom do you see? There's always the same person in your memories. There's always the same girl in your smiles. And now you know your love is strong. When you're roaming in your mind's eye, who do you look for? Who do you look for? When you cry under your cross, who do you pray for? Who do you pray for? There's always the same person in the mist. There's always the same girl in your words. And now you know your love is strong.
Down flooding Gary under the northern skies, undisturbing rain softens the sun. The hills beyond the bay poke my guitar. There behind, I can hear Cuthbert shout, happy and full on the hostel's bed. Then floating very up on the yellow sky. Then floating very under the northern sky. Had my share of white poultry's bread, had my luck of good hitchhike talk, clear skies, unusual for sky. I am all here waiting for them. Gary, in future days offensive mood, these friendly bonds just might go loose, and all this place for all it's worth, mighty but might not be of hand. Is all poetry. Is all grace. Don't we say a word? The crickets softly blend. The only I can do, share the silence with you. You've been thunderingly good to me. we say a word. The flower, mushy smell inside my head. The only I can do. Hide the glow from you. Hide the glow from you.